Number 1. WATERFLY Packable Travel Backpack. Bulky luggage bags weigh you down during city sightseeing trips when carrying heavy gear becomes exhausting. WATERFLY Packable Travel Backpack optimizes journey mobility using an ultra-lightweight foldable nylon day pack built for travelers. Water-resistant fabric shells protect electronics safely from sudden rain, while folding designs pack down into tiny pockets effortlessly. Pack this lightweight travel backpack inside your luggage to explore new cities without carrying heavy bags. Number 2. Ceaplot Dual Voltage Travel Kettle. Hotel room coffee makers look unwashed and unsanitary, ruining your morning caffeine routine while traveling abroad. Ceaplot Dual Voltage Travel Kettle ensures safe beverage heating using a collapsible silicone mini electric water boiler. Dual voltage compatibility works worldwide across different countries, while collapsible silicone bodies fold flat for easy suitcase packing. Pack this travel kettle in your bag to boil fresh drinking water safely anywhere worldwide. Number 3. Perilogics Airplane Phone Holder. Holding phones manually during long-haul flights causes severe arm fatigue while watching entertainment screens on trays. Perilogics Airplane Phone Holder upgrades flight comfort using a versatile clip-on universal smartphone mount for tray tables. Spring-loaded clamps grip tray tables and armrests securely, while multi-angle rotating hinges provide perfect viewing positions. Clip this smartphone holder onto your tray table to enjoy hands-free movie watching on flights. Number 4. Iseyyox Foldable Charging Station. Tangled charging cords mess up hotel room nightstands, making powering multiple devices overnight extremely frustrating. Iseyyox Foldable Charging Station streamlines travel power using a compact 3-in-1 folding wireless charging pad stand. Fast Qi charging coils power phones and smartwatches simultaneously, while folding structures pack flat for travel bags. Set this folding charging station on your hotel desk to power all devices neatly without cables. Number 5. Lallisa Collapsible Water Bottles. Empty rigid water bottles take up massive backpack space after airport security checkpoints during holiday trips. Lallisa collapsible water bottles maximize travel packing convenience using a flexible food-grade silicone reusable water bottle. Roll-up silicone bodies shrink down compactly when empty, while leak-proof caps prevent accidental liquid spills inside backpacks. Pack this collapsible water bottle in your travel bag to stay hydrated without wasting space. Number 6. Mocado Compact LED Makeup Mirror. Dim hotel bathroom lighting makes applying cosmetics accurately during early morning vacation routines nearly impossible. Mocado Compact LED Makeup Mirror enhances travel grooming using a portable rechargeable lighted cosmetic pocket mirror. Bright adjustable LED border lights illuminate faces clearly, while slim folding cases slide easily into travel purses. Slip this compact LED mirror into your purse to apply makeup perfectly anywhere you travel. Number 7. Royal Kit RFID Wallet. Digital pickpockets scanning credit card chips secretly put your financial security at risk during crowded tourist trips. Royal Kit RFID Wallet protects personal data using a slim, minimalist metal card holder with blocking technology. Advanced RFID blocking aluminum plates prevent wireless data theft, while pop-up card mechanisms fan out cards instantly. Slip this RFID wallet into your pocket to secure credit cards safely against electronic pickpocketing. Number 8. 4Kits Hanging Makeup Organizer. Scattered cosmetics clutter small hotel vanity counters, making finding necessary makeup brushes during trips extremely stressful every single day. 4Kits Hanging Makeup Organizer streamlines travel cosmetics using a multi-compartment roll-up hanging toiletry bag. Sturdy metal hanging hooks let you suspend bags anywhere, while clear zippered compartments display skincare products clearly. Hang this makeup organizer in your hotel bathroom to access cosmetics easily without counter clutter. Number 9. Ophimos Toothbrush Head Protector. Toothbrush bristles rubbing against dirty toiletry bag interiors collect harmful bacteria and germs during long travel journeys across regions. Ophimos Toothbrush Head Protector safeguards oral hygiene using breathable silicone toothbrush head cover caps. Ventilated air slots dry toothbrush bristles naturally, while flexible silicone grips fit securely over most standard brushes. Snap this toothbrush protector onto your brush to keep bristles clean.
At number 10, we have the ZWC-EG&D Travel Toothbrush Case. This multifunction case is a practical solution for keeping oral care items clean. It's made from food-grade materials and can fit toothbrushes up to 195mm long, plus toothpaste. Its 2-cup design connects with a press-fit ring for an airtight dust-proof seal, preventing germs from getting on your bristles and dirty luggage. It's ideal for business travel, camping, the gym, or daily storage. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to clean. However, it may not fit all electric toothbrush handles or very large heads, and the basic plastic design can feel less premium than hard shell cases. But for an affordable multi-use travel essential, the ZWC-EG-ND case is a solid number 10 on our list.
At number 11, we have the SQERO electric toothbrush case. This hard-shell case is your brush's first line of defense. With a durable, water-resistant exterior, inside smart organization prevents tangling, with elastic straps and a mesh pocket for all your essentials. It's compact, lightweight, and even has a carabiner, making it the perfect travel companion. And with multiple stylish colors to choose from, there's a case to match your vibe. It fits most major brands like Oral-B and Sonicare. But no, it's not compatible with Diamond Clean models. A great protective case for your investment. Just be sure to check the fit for your specific model before buying.
At number 12, we have the SODI Z01T folding keyboard. The SODI Z01T is a tri-fold Bluetooth keyboard with a built-in touchpad, offering full-size keys in an ultra-portable form factor. It unfolds in about 1 second like an accordion to a slim 0.27-inch thickness. It supports multi-device switching across iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. Its full-size 5-row layout and dedicated number row make comfortable typing possible wherever work takes you. Rechargeable via USB-C with up to 150 hours of use, it is ideal for travelers needing laptop-like productivity on the go. From home to the aircraft to the cafe, one compact keyboard keeps your workflow moving. Fold it, pouch it, and go. SODI Z01T brings laptop-like productivity to the space you have.
At number 13, we have the ZOORON foldable travel slippers. Tired of bulky flip-flops taking up precious luggage space? These are a game changer. Made from lightweight EVA material, they fold completely flat. No more awkward packing, but they're not just about size. The non-slip textured sole gives you reliable grip on wet hotel showers and pool decks. Perfect for hotels, beaches, camping, or just lounging at home. They're quick dry and easy to rinse clean. An affordable, hygienic solution to avoid dirty floors. Stay comfortable and clean wherever your travels take you.
At number 14, we have the zhuzhiloono Collapsible Pocket Cup. This 6-Oz mini silicone cup is a space-saving essential. It collapses to just 0.6 inches thick for ultimate portability. Made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, it handles extreme temperatures. The steel rim adds stability so it doesn't collapse when held. It's so lightweight and compact, it's the perfect travel companion, easily fitting in any pocket or bag. It's perfect for mouthwash, pills, or small sips of water, keeping you hygienic on the go. A great choice for camping, travel, or even for kids. The dust-proof lid keeps it clean. The pros? It's the ultimate space saver for packing light, offers a stable drinking experience, and is incredibly versatile. The cons? The capacity is small, the lid isn't fully leak-proof, and the silicone may retain odors if not cleaned promptly.
At number 15, we have the Shacke Packing Cube Set. Tired of luggage chaos? These cubes turn a messy suitcase into a perfectly organized system. The set includes multiple sizes for all your clothes, plus a handy laundry bag to separate the dirty from the clean. Built with reinforced X stitching, they won't collapse when full, and the mesh tops let you see what's inside. The water-resistant nylon offers protection, and the durable zippers handle even the most overstuffed bags. In fact, they come highly recommended by top travel experts and have earned rave customer reviews for their value. They aren't compression cubes, so they save less space, and the zippers can snag if you push them to the absolute limit. But for simple, effective, and durable packing organization, the Shacke packing cubes are a travel essential.
At number 16, we have the ModiTech wireless charging station, a cleaner way to charge your everyday devices. Designed for Apple ecosystem users, this compact stand brings phone, watch, and AirPods charging into one stable, space-saving setup. Its QI 2.2 certified magnetic charger delivers up to 25 watts for compatible iPhone 12 through 17 series devices. Intelligent power distribution helps manage simultaneous charging for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods wireless case. The stand keeps devices visible for desk work, video calls, or hands-free viewing while they charge. Select higher models add lifestyle features such as white noise, an alarm clock, Bluetooth audio, and music playback. At home or away, the compact stand keeps your charging setup organized without filling your nightstand, desk, or travel bag. The biggest everyday advantage is simple: fewer cables, less searching, and a more stable place for every device. For Apple users seeking one tidy charging hub, ModiTech combines speed and convenience. Android compatibility depends on a suitable magnetic case, and some models may warm during prolonged fast charging.
At number 17, we have the Nordmoose Magnetic Cruise Clothesline. This cruise ship-approved magnetic clothesline is a compact, portable drying solution ideal for cabins, RVs, camping, or hotels. Strong rubber-coated magnets attach securely to metal walls or panels without scratching or damaging surfaces. The retractable line is lightweight, comes with a storage bag, and allows easy hanging of swimsuits, towels, or small clothing items. Updated, stronger magnets make it a top cruise essential for drying wet items in limited space. From home, laundry needs to camping trips and cruise travel. Its compact design helps make drying easier wherever space is limited. For compact, portable drying in cabins, RVs, camping, or hotels, the Nordmoose Magnetic Cruise Clothesline is ready to travel. At number 18, we have the Laripwit Travel Duffle Bag. With approximately 40 liters of capacity, it is built from durable 1000D polyester that is waterproof, wrinkle-resistant, and tear-resistant. Organization is the standout. A spacious main compartment separates wet items and shoes from the rest of your packing. Multiple front, side, inner, and end cap zip pockets keep smaller essentials accessible without crowding the main space. Switch it from duffel to backpack mode when your hands are full, then carry it by the shoulder strap or top handle. At around 1.4 pounds, it stays lightweight, and the luggage sleeve makes airport transfers easier. It fits 3 1-5-day trips, gym sessions, weekends, or carry-on use, and folds down for storage when it is empty. It is not expandable beyond the base 40 liters, so it suits organized short trip packing best. Overall, it is a versatile, practical pick.
At number 19, we have the WAFLOO Portable Water Flosser. This ultra-compact, cordless flosser is your perfect travel companion, fitting easily into any bag. With a USB-C charger and a battery that lasts up to 30 days, you can kiss recharging on trips goodbye. Choose from 5 powerful modes, from a gentle clean for sensitive gums and kids to a deep clean for braces and plaque. It comes with 4 interchangeable tips for a 360-degree clean, including one for braces and a tongue scraper. Unlike others, the large detachable water tank is easy to clean and dry, and it's IPX7 waterproof for shower use. Upgrade your oral care with the WAFLOO Portable Water Flosser. Effective, versatile, and ready for anything.
At number 20, we have the WAFLOO Portable Water Flosser. Just kidding. Let's talk about the one thing you can't afford to lose while traveling. Introducing the ultimate travel organizer. It holds your passport, boarding pass, 3 cards, cash, and even 2 SIM cards with an eject pin. Never misplace it again. With Apple Find My compatibility, you can track its location or make it beep to find it fast. It's rechargeable with convenient wireless charging support, offering up to 6 months of standby time. With a secure snap closure and durable pebbled leather exterior, its slim design offers protection against skimming and fits anywhere. It's the all-in-one stylish solution for the modern traveler. The detachable lanyard adds extra convenience for quick access. The pros: built-in tracking, RFID protection, organization, and durability. The cons: it's iOS only, needs occasional recharging, and has limited card slots. Upgrade your travel essentials. Keep your documents secure, organized, and always findable